Today we are talking about a problem that affects almost every AC owner at some point. Why does your AC condenser overheat, and what can you actually do about it? Guys, when your condenser overheats, your entire cooling system suffers. You sweat indoors and your electricity bill goes up at the same time. Today I will explain the real causes, correctly, and give you practical fixes. Let's go. What is the condenser, and what does it do? Guys, before we talk about the problem, let me quickly remind everyone what the condenser actually does. The condenser is the outdoor unit that sits outside your house, usually on a concrete pad or mounted on brackets. This component plays a crucial role in removing heat from your home and releasing it outside. Inside it, you will find copper tubes surrounded by aluminum fins, together called the condenser coil. Hot refrigerant gas arrives here from the compressor, and the condenser fan blows outside air across these coils to release that heat into the atmosphere. When this process gets blocked or disturbed in any way, the entire unit starts overheating. Cause 1. Dirty condenser coils. Guys, this is by far the most common cause of condenser overheating. Over time, dirt, leaves, grass clippings, and other debris accumulate on the condenser coils. This buildup acts like a blanket, preventing proper heat transfer and forcing your system to work overtime. When the coil cannot release heat effectively, the refrigerant temperature rises, causing the entire system to overheat. And guys, this problem always gets worse during peak summer months, exactly when your AC is already working its hardest. Cause 2. Blocked or restricted airflow. Your condenser needs plenty of open space to breathe properly. Many homeowners make the mistake of planting shrubs too close to their outdoor unit, or storing items right next to it. This restricts airflow and traps hot air around the condenser, leading directly to overheating. The condenser unit needs at least 2 feet of clearance on all sides, and ideally even more, so that hot air can escape freely and fresh air can circulate around it continuously. Cause 3. Low refrigerant or refrigerant leak. Guys, low refrigerant levels or a refrigerant leak can also cause your condenser to overheat. When there is not enough refrigerant in the system, the remaining refrigerant has to work much harder to absorb and release heat, causing temperatures to rise dangerously throughout the entire system. As refrigerant levels keep declining, the compressor has an increasingly hard time pressurizing and depressurizing the gas properly. And that extra strain can eventually cause serious compressor damage if ignored. Cause 4. Faulty condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is responsible for pulling air through the condenser coils and expelling the heat outside. A malfunctioning fan motor leads to inadequate airflow, which directly causes overheating. You can usually tell something is wrong here simply by placing your hand near the top of the unit. If the area feels unusually hot, and the fan does not seem to be spinning properly or at the correct speed, the fan motor is very likely the problem. Cause 5. Faulty capacitor. The capacitor is what helps start and run your AC motors properly. A weak or failing capacitor can cause overheating by forcing the motor to work much harder than it should, drawing excessive power from your electrical system in the process. This often leads to short cycling and repeated circuit breaker trips, which are very clear warning signs that the capacitor needs attention soon. Cause 6. Aging or undersized system. Older systems naturally become less efficient over time. Components wear out, seals deteriorate, and overall performance declines gradually. An aging condenser may struggle to handle normal cooling demands, especially during extreme summer heat. Similarly, if your AC unit is simply too small for your home or room, the compressor has to work much harder to keep up, and the harder it works, the hotter it gets, which increases the risk of overheating significantly. Warning signs you should never ignore. Guys, your overheating system usually gives clear warning signs before a complete breakdown happens. Watch for warm air coming from your vents, even though the AC is running. Listen for unusual buzzing or grinding noises. Check if the outdoor unit feels unusually hot to the touch, and pay attention if your circuit breaker keeps tripping repeatedly. If you notice any of these signs, it is best to shut off your system immediately and have it inspected, because continuing to run an overheating AC can cause far more serious and expensive damage. How to fix it, step by step. Now guys, let me give you the correct fixes for each cause. First, for dirty coils, turn off power to your unit completely. Gently spray the coils with a garden hose working from the inside out, or use a soft brush and specialized coil cleaner for stubborn dirt. Be gentle with the coil fins, guys. They bend easily and can reduce airflow further if damaged. Second, for blocked airflow, create a clear zone of at least 2 feet around your condenser. Trim back any vegetation and remove stored items blocking the unit. Third, for refrigerant problems, this is not a DIY job, guys. Refrigerant is not something you can simply top up. If levels are low, there is always a leak somewhere. Call a licensed HVAC technician to find and fix the leak before recharging the system. Fourth, for fan motor or capacitor issues, these involve electrical components and should always be diagnosed and replaced by a qualified technician. Never attempt this yourself, as it can be dangerous and may void your warranty. Preventing overheating in the future. Guys, prevention is always better and cheaper than repair. Change your air filter every 1 to 3 months, more often if you have pets or allergies in the home. Keep the area around your outdoor unit clean and clear at all times. Schedule a professional tune-up at least once a year, preferably before the start of summer season, so a technician can catch small problems before they turn into expensive overheating issues. The average AC unit lasts 8 to 10 years, and regular maintenance is genuinely the best way to make sure your system reaches that full lifespan without unnecessary overheating breakdowns. Guys, to summarize everything correctly, condenser overheating is usually caused by dirty coils, blocked airflow, low refrigerant, a faulty fan motor, a weak capacitor, or simply an aging system. Watch for warm air, strange noises, a hot outdoor unit, and tripping breakers as your warning signs. Clean coils and clear airflow yourself if you feel comfortable, but always call a qualified technician for refrigerant, electrical, or motor issues. And remember guys, regular maintenance is always the cheapest fix of all. If this video helped you understand your AC better, please like and share it. Share it with everyone whose AC has ever shut down suddenly in the middle of summer. Subscribe to HVAC official channel.